Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this video, I'm going to create 3 simple and small dot mandalas. Let's get started with the first one. I'll start with dotting in the center in peach color. Now I'll keep some dots in pearl pink. Now I'll keep tiny dots in pearl pink. Now I'll keep some straight swipes in pearl peach. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep straight swipes in pearl pink. I'll keep a plumpy dot and then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'm going to keep 2 side swipes for all the peach straight swipes. I'll keep a dot and then make it to a swipe later. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in peach color for all the pink swipes. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll work the dots in pink. I'll keep some dots in peach color now. I'm sure the first mini dot mandala came out really well. We'll move on to the second one now. I'll start dotting in the center in pearl garnet. Now I'll keep tiny dots in garnet. I'll keep some peach dots now. I'll keep some tiny dots now. I'll keep some garnet dots now. Now I'll keep some peach dots. I'll work the dots in peach. I'll keep some garnet dots. I'll work the dots in garnet now. Now I'll keep straight swipes and garnet. I'll keep a dot and make it to a swipe. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in peach. I'm sure the second mini mandala also came out really well. We'll move on to the third one now. So in this third mini dot mandala, I'm going to start dotting in the center with peach. This is jade green, it seems. I don't know whatever green it is. It's so complex for me to remember these shade names. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'm going to keep straight swipes on peach in between any 2 green swipes here. You know, sometimes I get color combination inspiration from the dresses people wear. So when I go out, I'm so conscious about watching the color combinations of the dresses people wear. Now I'll keep some dots in jade green. I've heard of olive green, dark green, light green, grass green, leaf green, parrot green. I have never heard of this jade green. If at all you know why this name jade green, please do let me know. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in peach for each of the green dot. Now I'll keep 2 more side swipes in jade green. Some more peach dots. I'm sure the third mini mandala also came out really well. Let's see all three of them together. Now three of them together are looking so beautiful. Let me know which one you like the most. Thank you for watching this video.